Meaning of intensification.
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 Intensification. Intensification means the act or process of making something stronger, more extreme, or more concentrated. It can refer to a variety of situations, such as intensification of emotions, intensification of physical sensations, intensification of conflict, intensification of pressure, intensification of a process, and so on. The term is often used in a negative context, indicating that the intensity has become too much to handle or is causing harm or discomfort. However, in some contexts, intensification can also be seen as a positive thing, such as when it leads to increased efficiency or productivity.